Hello, my wonderful new learners. I'm so excited to have you here today on this journey to mastering English. If you're just starting, you might feel a mix of excitement and nervousness. Learning a new language can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to explore easy English practice methods that you can incorporate into your daily life. Imagine waking up each day, feeling more confident in your English skills. Picture yourself ordering coffee in English, chatting with a friend, or even watching your favorite show without needing subtitles. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's possible, and it starts with simple, consistent practice. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Daily Vocabulary Building. Building a strong vocabulary is the foundation of speaking English confidently. One effective way to enhance your vocabulary is to learn just 5 new words every day. This method allows you to gradually expand your lexicon without feeling overwhelmed. Write these words on colorful sticky notes and place them around your home. Every time you see a sticky note, say the word out loud and use it in a sentence. For instance, if you learn the word apple, you might say, "I love eating an apple every morning." By associating words with your daily life, you'll find that they become a natural part of your speech. This practice not only reinforces your memory, but also helps you become more comfortable using new vocabulary in conversations. Lesson 2. Listening Practice. Listening is a crucial component of language learning, and it can significantly improve your understanding of English. Start by incorporating English audio resources into your daily routine. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or audiobooks that interest you. The key is to listen actively. Pause when you hear a phrase that catches your attention, and repeat it aloud until you feel comfortable. This method not only enhances your listening skills, but also improves your pronunciation. For example, if you're listening to a podcast about travel and hear the phrase, "Let's explore new places," pause and practice saying it several times. By engaging with the language in this way, you'll find yourself picking up new phrases and expressions naturally, making your speaking more fluent and relatable. Lesson 3. Speaking Practice. Speaking is often the most challenging aspect of language learning, but it's also the most rewarding. To become a confident speaker, start by practicing in front of a mirror. Describe your day or talk about your favorite hobbies aloud. For instance, you could say, "Today, I went to the park. It was sunny, and I saw many beautiful flowers." This practice helps you gain confidence and become accustomed to articulating your thoughts in English. Don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is to express yourself freely. Additionally, you can record yourself speaking and listen to the playback. This will help you identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Remember, the more you practice speaking, the more natural it will become. Lesson 4. Reading Practice. Reading is a fantastic way to enhance your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Start with simple English books, short stories, or articles that capture your interest. As you read, underline or highlight new words and look up their meanings. This will not only expand your vocabulary but also give you context for how these words are used in sentences. After reading a few pages, take a moment to summarize what you learned in your own words. For example, if you read a short story about a character who faces challenges, you might say, "The character learns to overcome obstacles through determination." This exercise reinforces your understanding and helps you practice using new vocabulary in context, enhancing both your reading and speaking skills. Writing is an essential skill that allows you to articulate your thoughts clearly. Start a daily journal where you can write about your experiences, feelings, and opinions in English. Aim to write a few sentences each day. For instance, you might write, "Today, I learned how to cook spaghetti. It was delicious." This not only improves your writing skills but also encourages you to reflect on your learning journey. Additionally, you can practice writing emails or messages to friends in English. This real-world application of your writing skills will not only enhance your fluency but also help you communicate effectively in various situations. Lesson 6. Engaging with others. Engaging with others is one of the most enjoyable ways to practice English. Look for language exchange partners or conversation groups, either in your community or online. Websites and apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Meetup can connect you with fellow learners and native speakers. During these conversations, focus on topics that interest you, whether it's travel, food, or culture. For example, if you're discussing travel, you might say, "I would love to visit Australia someday." Engaging in conversation not only improves your speaking skills, but also allows you to learn from others and gain insights into different cultures. Remember, the more you interact with others, the more comfortable you will become speaking English. Remember, the more you interact with others, the more comfortable you will become speaking English. Lesson 7. Consistency is key. The most important lesson in your journey to learning English is consistency. Just like building muscle, language skills require regular practice. Create a schedule that includes time for vocabulary building, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day dedicated to English practice. You might set aside 10 minutes for vocabulary, 10 minutes for listening, and 10 minutes for speaking. This routine will help solidify your learning and make English a natural part of your daily life. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each day you practice is a step closer to fluency, so stay committed and enjoy the journey. As you continue your English practice, remember that every small effort counts. The journey of language learning may come with challenges, but it is also filled with joy and discovery. Embrace the process, celebrate your achievements, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process. The world is waiting for you to share your voice in English. Happy learning, and I can't wait to hear about your progress on this incredible journey.